Today's product and digital analytics tools have too many of the wrong things. They're too specialized, too inflexible, too slow, too expensive. They're just too difficult. But we believe analytics should never be too complicated or frustrating. And we're on a mission to make them easy for everyone. That's why we're launching a new version of Amplitude that's easy to start, easy to use, and easy to scale. We're excited to introduce Amplitude Made Easy.
Amplitude is easy from the moment you sign up. When you log into a new analytics tool, you're often met with a blank screen. There's no indication of what to measure or build or where to begin. Your first step shouldn't be so tricky. Our new homepage experience makes it easy to get started right out of the box. Your homepage showcases the health of your product or website, including key metrics like the number of visitors. It also shows real-time data about your users' interactions with your company, like how many are in your product right now. And all of this is possible from one single snippet of code. With a simple copy and paste, you unlock the power of Amplitude's platform, including products like Session Replay and features like Auto Capture. Now, anyone on your team can easily get set up and start gaining value. Let's take a closer look. With Auto Capture, you can automatically track sessions, page and screen views, clicks on your website, and more. You no longer need an engineer to implement each event. You can just click on any element on your site, like Add to Cart, to automatically capture every user's interaction. Anyone can discover exactly how a user experiences your website or app. Getting started is easier than ever. Every team member must make data-driven decisions, but not everyone has deep technical expertise or time to learn complicated tools. That's why we've made Amplitude incredibly easy to use. You don't need to build a single chart to start getting value. You can jumpstart your analysis with our template gallery. Leverage templates created by industry experts, templates specific to your industry, or templates for the most common use cases, like 7-day retention, where you can instantly see the rate of new users returning to your product within a 7-day period. Now, templates aren't the only way to get started easily. Whether you're a marketer or a product manager, you need one place to review performance and quickly understand what's working. We built analytics for each team to fast-track discovery. Web Analytics helps marketers understand performance across channels, campaigns, pages, and conversions. For instance, see how your channels perform and which drive the highest conversion rates. All it takes is one click. It's a familiar interface for marketers who've used other web analytics tools, but with a much better experience. In Amplitude, there is no guesswork and there are no dead ends. You can click into an insight for a closer look, view journeys, watch replays, or even create cohorts. Product Analytics helps teams drill down on the most common use cases, such as onboarding, retention, and feature engagement. For instance, with feature engagement, you can benchmark features against each other to see which have the most engagement or which you should consider sunsetting. We have already built the insights that you need, regardless of your role, your team, or your skill. Now, Amplitude has tons of value out of the box, but what if you have questions about the insights you're finding? You shouldn't need a data analyst to understand the ins and outs of your data or answer questions. Anyone should be able to interpret and discover the insights they need to do their job. When you need an answer, ask Amplitude. This AI-powered analysis instantly visualizes the answer and gives recommendations about what to do next. Start high level and drill down to discover answers to the questions you didn't even know to ask. These features make Amplitude easy for anyone to use and understand what's working or not. Now, one thing you shouldn't have to ask is what your customers want and need. Understanding your customers is, of course, critical to growing your business. And with user profiles, it's easier than ever to understand each user at scale. User profiles centralize data sources to show a 360-degree view of how each individual user performs throughout your product. Want to learn more about how users who are most engaged with a feature? Look at their attributes, activities, and replays, along with the cohorts and experiments that they belong to. This deeper, connected insight enables your team to better target and personalize experiences, so your customers keep coming back for more. Amplitude also improves your team's experience, like when unexpected issues arise and you need to act fast. Now, it's as easy as subscribing to a chart to catch regressions and keep up with critical changes. And surface these findings where your team already collaborates. Stay up to date on your most important and meaningful insights with a weekly digest. Scaling your success is easy with Amplitude.
We've made Amplitude easier than ever, but our mission doesn't end here. We're continuing to change the status quo. The future of analytics is breaking down the distinction between your product and your analytics tools. We're working toward a world where technology never leaves you frustrated. With Amplitude, you'll be able to see where your customers are most interacting with your product and understand what's driving these behaviors so that you can make improvements. When you can visualize your customers' full experience with your product, you'll actually see the investments you need to drive growth. With the new Amplitude, analytics isn't complicated. Amplitude is easy to start, easy to use, and easy to scale. Join our more than 3,000 customers worldwide and start using Amplitude at no cost. And see just how easy it is to grow your business.